Hey guys, it's Cassie here, and in this video I'm going to dive into the new deluxe student notebook set that I just released. It has built-in flashcards, project planners, bonus pages, stickers, and pretty much anything you'll need for this upcoming semester. But before I get into it, if you haven't already, check out the short video that I have on the download and user guide. Now, these notebooks come in 6 paper types. You have narrow and wide rule notebooks in lined, grid, and dot grid paper. For those of you who are new to digital note-taking or who want to test out my notebook design, I have a couple of freebies for you in the description down below. I have a digital notebook with all 6 paper types, a planning tab, and some bonus pages and stickers. And I also have a free version of the GoodNotes user guide with helpful tips for getting started. Now, when you open your notebooks, this is the default cover that they come with, but I do have another cover style in the back as well as plain covers that you can customize with your stickers from the sticker book. This next page is a sort of info page that includes a link to that in-depth user guide, as well as hex codes for all 5 notebook colors. What you can do is you can copy these hex codes and add them as presets to your pen tool, highlight tool, and text tool. So now we're on the index page, and on the left-hand side you can access all of your bonus pages as well as those bonus covers down at the bottom right here. This index area is designed so that you can write the section or chapter title up at the top of each box, and then right below it you can list the topics or important concepts that are covered in that section. So if you're taking a language class, up here you can write what the theme is for that section. For example, your daily routine or your family tree. And underneath it you can write the individual grammar topics that are covered. One thing you'll notice about my notebooks is that when you click on a tab or these index boxes into the section, they lead you straight to the first page of notes rather than a section divider. And I did that to mimic the feel of a real notebook and to help you increase your efficiency. On the outer edge of each tab you have a link, and for the notes sections, they lead to a study guide page for that tab. Now, 10 sections might be more than what you need for a class, and I created the notebooks this way intentionally so you can customize the different sections using the bonus pages and template stickers. If we switch over to the sticker book, you'll notice tabs that correspond to the bonus pages in your notebook. These are essentially sticker versions of each bonus page, and you can paste them over any hyperlinked page. So the first page of your notes, the study guide pages, and I even show you in the user guide how to customize your project pages using the template stickers in a way that still leaves the top header and navigation visible. I'll go into each of these individual bonus pages later on in the video, but one example of how you can use them is by transforming one of your tabs into a monthly calendar tab so that you can visualize all of your upcoming deadlines for readings and assignments. So to do that, I'll go over to the study tab, and I'm going to use this undated monthly spread. All you have to do is use the lasso tool to copy this template sticker. Head over to the tab that you want to turn into a planning tab and just paste this over top of that note page. You could also expand on this planner tab by pasting the grade tracker or one of the study trackers on this study guide page. Using the template stickers might also appeal to you if you're a perfectionist like I am and you like having the active tab accurate. Now, moving on, if you click the outer edge of that projects tab, that leads you to your syllabus. Because we're in one of the wide ruled notebooks, these lines are wide ruled as well. You can either choose to fill out this information yourself, or you can take a screenshot of your syllabus and paste it over this page. For the Projects tab, you have room for up to 10 projects or larger assignments. If you click on the project name area, you have an overview page where you can write out what the project is, the deadline, how many points or what percentage of your grade it's worth, and the submission guidelines. This icon right here leads to the group project planner, and this one leads to a project notes page, which is perfect for pasting one of the template stickers on top of. Now we're going to head into the built-in flashcards section. And you just do that by clicking the bottom right corner right here. These flashcards correspond to the paper type, so because this is a grid notebook, these are grid flashcards. You can toggle between the front and the back of a flashcard here. And the way these flashcards are designed is that you can flick to the back to check your answer. And when you click this next arrow, it leads you to the front of the next flashcard. So that's pretty much it for the notebooks. Now we'll just do a quick flip through of the stickers that are included with your purchase. First, you have your cover stickers. And this is something that's specific to GoodNotes users. Here you have tab labels, and if you'll notice in the notebooks, they already have numbers on each tab, and what's cool about this is that they cover those numbers to give a more clean look. Next, you have a few pages of sticky notes. And then you have these stickers, which are great for layering. For the template stickers, you have a course outline sticker, grading criteria checklist, which is great for project rubrics, a grade tracker, and for your project and study pages, you have a research paper planner, research sources organizer, verb conjugations chart, a topics checklist, key terms, and this is great for pasting over these study guide pages, a mind map, and a reading notes page. For your study planners, you have a study session planner, curve of forgetting study planner, a Pomodoro tracker, and an undated monthly spread. For your paper types, you have both narrow and wide ruled paper types, as well as some Cornell note paper here. And lastly, you have some blank tables, which are pretty versatile. For the 2-column table, for example, you can use this for presentation notes. You can put your slide details over here and your speaker notes on the right. You also have a 3-column table, a 4-column table, and lastly, you have a 5-column table. So that's pretty much it for the notebooks. Again, I do have some freebies in the description down below if you want to give them a shot. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to let me know, and thanks for watching.